In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what inbound sales is and why inbound sales is important to your company. That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative back with another episode of What Is? Like what you see? Want to keep learning more? Well, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell as well for instant notifications. Plus, give us a couple thumbs up, like the video. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to share with you 4 ways, that's right, 4 ways that you can leverage an inbound sales strategy for your company today. So today's topic is inbound sales. Let's start at the beginning and answer, what the heck is inbound sales? Inbound sales is a personalized, helpful, and modern sales methodology. Inbound salespeople focus on their prospects' pain points, act as a trusted consultant, and adapt their sales process to the buyer's journey. The opposite would be an outbound sales process, which mostly involves cold outreach like unsolicited emails, cold calls, surprise office visits, and other interrupted sales and business development techniques. Nobody likes to be interrupted. Yikes! How well do those outbound sales techniques work in today's modern communication world? Inbound sales versus outbound sales. Let's cover that. Here's why inbound sales is so important for your company. It all comes back to the fact that the world has changed. The buyer has changed. A ton of things have changed. We talk about that fact all the time in marketing. Fact of the matter, it's super hard to get people's attention today with ad blockers, commercial skipping devices, and no ad streaming services. Well, guess what? It's the same for sales and for your sales team. It's super difficult. You see, we've become very good at ignoring cold calls from sales reps, ignoring emails, especially from people who we've never met, who talk to us like they know us. That's just weird. And most decision makers have a gatekeeper in place to protect themselves from those unannounced, on-location drop-ins. Not sure what a gatekeeper is or how to navigate them? We have a video on that right here. But let's get back to inbound sales. If we ignore these outbound sales techniques ourselves, why haven't more businesses adopted an inbound sales strategy? If you're convinced, then let's look at how you can use inbound sales for your company. Number 1, identify the right buyers. In the B2B space, this is called account-based marketing. We've also got a video on that. Whether you're selling to other businesses or directly to a consumer, identify the right buyers from the start. Most likely, you'll be working with marketing on this as well as helping to teach them who the ideal buyer is. If you know the ideal buyer, it will get you off on the right inbound sales journey. Number 2, connect. Anyone focused on inbound sales will connect with leads to help them decide how to progress through the buyer's journey. This should include the communication tools they choose. It might be texting, social messaging, email, and be ready to communicate in the way your prospects do. Hey, by the way, it might be video as well. Number 3, explore. Inbound salespeople explore their qualified leads, goals, and challenges to see whether the offering is a good fit for them as a customer. Focus on their challenges, not your product or services. Show empathy and connect over those challenges, and then share how your business can help. Number 4, my last point, advise. Inbound salespeople advise prospects on why their solution is uniquely positioned to address the buyer's need. Skip the script and position your products or services in a way that highlights how it solves their unique needs. Now that you know what inbound sales is and why inbound sales is important, make sure you're implementing it for your company's success. Make sure you leave us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell as well before you go. Make sure you're focused on inbound sales as well as being a happy, helpful human along the way.